Remember the human Barbie? Well, you should see her now. Like many other girls, Valeria Lukianova loved her Barbie dolls. However, her love for these plastic toys turned into an obsession that would see her become a real-life version of these iconic dolls. Let's take a look at Valeria through the years, and you can tell us what you think of her look. By the end of the video, we'll show you what she looks like today with no makeup on at all. So what do you think, folks? Is she gorgeous? Is she too plastic for you? Is it all about personality? Leave your comments below and read what others are saying.
Hey you guys, it's your girl Nilsa from MTV Floribama Shore, and excuse my morning madness, but I just wanted to be really raw and authentic with you guys. I want to wish everyone at Thinnergy a happy goals day. Let's make today all about reaching your goals. So this is what I do every morning. I get up, I check my emails, I do a little social media, and then I go to the gym and I set out a plan every single day of what goals I want to reach that day. So let's make today all about reaching your goals. And the way I stay fit is just because I have so much motivation. I have a long way to go, but looking back to how far I've came, that's really important to me. So I hope you guys can do the same and reach your goals. Good luck, you guys.
Energy is America's top weight loss supplement. This elite fat-burning formula turns your body into a calorie-burning furnace, helping you target unwanted belly fat, love handles, and cellulite. Act now and start burning fat immediately. Coupled with diet and exercise, Thinnergy is the fastest, best way to meet your weight loss goals.